The pyramids of Giza stand tall, casting long shadows over the desert sands. These ancient structures have stood the test of time, enduring for thousands of years. They are not just monuments, they are a testament to human ingenuity and the mysteries of our past. Silent sentinels of a time long past, the pyramids and the Sphinx watch over the land. As the sun rises and sets, they remain unchanged, a constant in a world of change. Their silent presence speaks volumes, whispering secrets of an era that has long since faded into history. How did ancient Egyptians build something so massive? The construction of the pyramids is a feat that has puzzled experts for centuries. Imagine the sheer effort, the coordination, and the skill required to move and place each massive stone. Without modern machinery, they relied on sheer human strength and ingenuity. The sheer size and precise construction of these monuments have baffled historians, archaeologists, and dreamers for centuries. Each stone fits perfectly with the next, creating a structure that has withstood the ravages of time. The precision is so exact that even a piece of paper cannot fit between some of the stones. Theories abound, from the outlandish to the plausible. Some suggest that the pyramids were built using ramps, while others propose the use of levers and pulleys. There are even those who believe that the ancient Egyptians possessed advanced knowledge that has since been lost to time. Some whisper of alien intervention, others of forgotten technologies. These theories capture the imagination, painting a picture of a world where the impossible becomes possible. Could it be that the pyramids are the result of extraterrestrial influence, or are they simply a testament to human innovation? Yet, the answer might lie not in the realm of the fantastical, but in the ingenuity and determination of the ancient Egyptians themselves. They were a people of great skill and knowledge, capable of achieving incredible feats. The pyramids stand as a testament to their legacy, a reminder of what humanity can accomplish when driven by vision and perseverance. One prevailing theory, supported by evidence and logic, is the ramp theory. This theory proposes that the Egyptians utilized massive ramps to haul the heavy stone blocks into place. Imagine thousands of workers pulling these immense stones, weighing tons up these ramps. The task was Herculean, but achievable. Evidence of such ramps has been found at several pyramid sites, lending credence to this theory. Contrary to popular belief, the pyramids were not built by slaves. This common misconception has been perpetuated by various sources over the years, but modern archaeological findings tell a different story. The construction of these magnificent structures was a feat of engineering and human ingenuity, carried out by a dedicated workforce of skilled laborers. These individuals were not only highly trained, but also took great pride in their work, contributing to one of the most enduring legacies of ancient Egypt. Archaeological evidence points to a workforce of skilled laborers. Excavations around the pyramid sites have revealed a wealth of information about the people who built these iconic structures. From the tools they used to the living conditions they experienced, every detail paints a picture of a well-organized and highly skilled group of workers. These laborers were not just random individuals, but were part of a structured workforce, often working in teams to achieve their monumental goals. These workers were respected members of society, well-fed and housed in dedicated villages near the construction sites. The worker villages were equipped with all the necessary amenities to ensure the well-being of the laborers. They had access to medical care, food supplies, and even recreational activities. This level of care and respect indicates that these workers were valued for their skills and contributions. The villages were strategically located near the construction sites to minimize travel time and maximize efficiency. Excavations have unearthed tools, living quarters, and even cemeteries, painting a picture of a community dedicated to this monumental task. The artifacts found include a variety of tools, from simple chisels to complex measuring instruments, indicating a high level of craftsmanship. The living quarters were well constructed, providing a comfortable living environment for the workers. Cemeteries found near these villages also show that the workers were given proper burials, further emphasizing their respected status in society. The precision and artistry evident in the construction itself further suggests the work of skilled craftsmen, not enslaved laborers. The intricate details and precise measurements required to build the pyramids could only have been achieved by individuals with a high level of expertise. Hieroglyphs and other records from the time also depict these craftsmen at work, highlighting their skills and the importance of their role in society. This evidence collectively dispels the myth of slave labor and instead celebrates the achievements of these skilled artisans. The precision of the pyramids is astounding. The alignment of the structures with the cardinal points, the near-perfect right angles, and the massive stones, some weighing as much as 80 tons, all point to a deep understanding of mathematics, astronomy, and engineering. The Egyptians were masters of geometry and astronomy, using their knowledge to align their monuments with the stars and create structures of incredible accuracy. The alignment of the pyramids with the cardinal points is no accident. The Egyptians were keen observers of the night sky and used their knowledge of astronomy to achieve this feat. By tracking the movements of the stars, they could determine true north with remarkable accuracy. This precision speaks volumes about their advanced understanding of the cosmos and their place within it. Inside the pyramids lie intricate networks of chambers and passageways. These were not merely burial chambers, but served religious and symbolic purposes as well. The Egyptians believed in the afterlife and filled these chambers with treasures and inscriptions to guide the pharaoh on his journey to the underworld. The design and orientation of these chambers reflect their complex beliefs and rituals surrounding death and the afterlife. The Egyptians achieved these feats of engineering with surprisingly simple tools. Copper chisels, wooden mallets, and levers were their primary instruments. Yet, they used these tools with skill and ingenuity, combined with their knowledge of mathematics and physics, to move and shape massive stones with astonishing precision. Their resourcefulness is a testament to the power of human ingenuity. The pyramids are just one example of the ancient Egyptians' ingenuity. Their legacy extends to medicine, mathematics, astronomy, and art. They developed a system of writing, mastered irrigation techniques, and even had a sophisticated understanding of human anatomy. Their achievements continue to inspire awe and wonder, reminding us of the boundless potential of human intellect. The pyramids stand as a testament to the achievements of a civilization that thrived thousands of years ago. These monumental structures, built with incredible precision and skill, continue to awe and inspire us. They are not just piles of stones. They are the embodiment of human ingenuity and perseverance. The sheer scale and complexity of these ancient wonders make us ponder the capabilities of the people who built them. How did they manage to construct such colossal edifices without the modern tools and technology we have today? The pyramids are a bridge to a time long past, whispering stories of a civilization that was advanced in ways we are still striving to understand. While we have uncovered many of their secrets, the past still holds many mysteries. Archaeologists and historians have spent countless hours studying the artifacts and hieroglyphs left behind by the ancient Egyptians. Each discovery adds a piece to the puzzle, yet the complete picture remains elusive. The hieroglyphs, with their intricate symbols and meanings, offer glimpses into the lives, beliefs, and knowledge of this ancient civilization. Ancient scrolls, carefully preserved over millennia, reveal stories and wisdom that have been passed down through generations. Despite these findings, there is still so much we do not know. What drove the Egyptians to build such grand structures? What were their daily lives like? How did they view the world and their place in it? How did they achieve such precision? The tools and techniques used by the ancient Egyptians were remarkably advanced for their time. The precision with which the stones were cut and placed is astounding. Modern engineers and architects marvel at the accuracy of the pyramid's alignment with the cardinal points and the meticulous craftsmanship evident in every stone. The workers who carved and transported these massive blocks of stone demonstrated a level of skill and coordination that is hard to fathom. Their achievements challenge our understanding of what was possible in the ancient world. What other secrets lie hidden beneath the sands of time? The deserts of Egypt are vast and hold many untold stories. Buried beneath the shifting sands are ruins and artifacts that have yet to be discovered. Each archaeological dig site is a portal to the past, offering the potential to uncover new insights into the lives of the ancient Egyptians. Mysterious entrances to pyramids and hidden chambers suggest that there is still much to learn. What treasures and knowledge remain concealed, waiting to be brought to light? The sands of time have a way of preserving history, keeping it safe until we are ready to uncover it. These questions continue to captivate us, urging us to delve deeper into the mysteries of the past and explore the boundless possibilities of the future. Researchers and scientists are constantly analyzing ancient maps and texts, seeking to unlock the secrets of the pyramids and the civilization that built them. The alignment of the pyramids with the stars suggests a deep understanding of astronomy and the cosmos. As we look to the future, we are inspired by the achievements of the past. The study of ancient Egypt not only helps us understand where we come from, but also guides us in our quest for knowledge and discovery. The past whispers to us, and the future beckons, inviting us to continue our journey of exploration and learning.